Over the past 6 months, I've successfully gained over 100,000 plus followers on Instagram and more than 40,000 on other platforms. Many of you have asked me how I record short videos in vertical format for Photoshop and Illustrator, which I share on my Instagram and other social media platforms. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I record and edit all of my videos. First, open Photoshop or Illustrator. Once Photoshop boots up, click on New File. I am using this document size. To get the same size, go to Mobile and select this 1080 by 1920 size document preset. Keep the background white and hit Create. Now minimize the screen of Photoshop. Set the screen size according to the newly created document. You can pinch in and drag down to fit the Photoshop screen according to the document. Once Photoshop's screen forms a vertical shape, open your recorder program. I am using Camtasia Studio to record my videos. It is a paid program, but you can use any other free program, such as Bandicam or Top Screen Recorder. Once you open the recorder, set the recording area on the Photoshop. Hit the record button and start to demonstrate your tutorial. Once finished the recording, it will automatically be imported into the editor. In the editor, drag the recorded file to the timeline. Go to this percentage screen option and select Project Settings. Now put the size of 1080 width and 1920 height. Set the frame rate to 60 FPS and apply. Next, adjust the recorded file's screen, making sure to leave little space on both sides, so the video will appear on all phones properly. Now import any motion or gradient background to place behind the video. Export the video to your desired drive and you are good to go. I hope you will find this tutorial helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.